live. Oh my days, we got the DJI. It took only like 4 months. However, it's not about how long it takes, it's about getting to the destination, getting to the end goal, because that is what we've been waiting for. It's cookout time, you know. It's been a while since I've been back there, so let's get it. Hold on. OBS. Usually what I do with midis is just take like 1 or 2 rolls that I just think sound good. Truth be told, I didn't know I had these midis. Like, I messed with that, but maybe with a different hat that I do on a Tuesday. Then this is what I do, like maybe something like this. Yo. Alright, cool, that's about it. Back to genuinely, that's about kind of feel. And then what we're gonna do is possibly delete these, fill up the space between here with them, just so it's one sound and it sounds cohesive. I might just fast forward through all of this part, because this is a long part right now. Truth is just gonna be a quick hookup, 11 minutes. I said like 5 minutes on the call. So it's been like 5 minutes. I'm counting 5 minutes, man. I'm counting 5 minutes so far. Rich bitch got a house on the seaside. Realistically, I genuinely feel like this can hit about lower. still trying to get used to this, man. I won't lie to you. Right, so that beat is basically done. I gotta add like open hats and maybe a couple more perk sounds. Truthfully, I'm not feeling the beat. I won't lie to you. It's not what I want to make right now. So I'm gonna save it and then I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna go to the next one. I'm gonna keep on working on some more until something sticks. And I'm like, I want to finish it. But I still want to go on this Detroit wave. So yeah, anyone want to send me loops? Here's my email. Send loops to that email. I'm gonna go through them on stream. I'm gonna go through them when I'm recording, and we're gonna run it up. We're gonna cook up. This is more what I want. That's a nice one. Honestly, maybe you might have another one kind of similar to that. Beat 2, second beat. Same exact pattern, like Detroit. Can't remember which snare it was. I like that, but it wasn't that snare. I think it was this one. Messing with this bounce. All cap of being actually immersed in this one. probably gonna stick with this one. Definitely gonna lay this out properly. It's always a quick one anyway, so I'm gonna try and finish this beat as quick as I possibly can. Add the spins, do as much as I can, and let's go. Put it down one. Or did I put it down one? I put it out one. When making 808s, this is like the first thing that I learned from Jug, prod by Jug. Time ago now, like years ago, where not to have your 808s, and even Nick Miro went over this. I think this is just internet money kind of source. So never have your 808s hitting below this A4, and then going up you can kind of have a little bit more freedom with it. Like so it depends what 808 you're using. Some spinses can go like those frequencies are calm, but then when you get to like there, then you're muddy now. You're muddy. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it there for the beat. I'm gonna go finish it and arrange it, all that good stuff in my own time. I might time lapse that as well, so you guys can get a view of how I mix my beats, because this is a new beat that I'm making, new type of wave, like with the Detroit stuff, but my mixing's kind of very universal with all my beats, so I might time lapse that for you guys to see. Otherwise, hopefully you guys enjoyed listening to this, enjoyed spending a little bit of time with me whilst I cook up. I'm gonna try and make this more regular when I'm just experimenting, trying out new waves, even making beats for specific artists. So any artist, whether you want beats, then let me know, you can figure it out. Want bookings, let me know, you can figure it out. Hit my IG for all of that good stuff. Separately, my day one state, me, I never read the signs though. Got our legs in the air and I should hit the high notes. Alright, I bet. I'm out cut now.